Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be making mango sago. My daughter is actually here visiting from Canada. She moved back to finish her high school and is living with my sister. And so for the 2 weeks that she's here, I'm going to be making things that she likes. And we're going to start it off with the mango sago. It's a very easy dessert to make, and you're only going to need a few ingredients. And let me show you what they are. Okay, so we're going to just need coconut milk of any brand that you like, condensed milk, tapioca pearl, which we're going to be boiling, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a little bit. And I've never tried putting macapuno in the mango sago before, but I'm going to do it for this time and see how it tastes. I'm sure it's going to taste good because it's going to add a little bit of texture and crunch to the mango sago, but who knows? I mean, I think it'll taste good. So let's begin. When your water starts boiling, just add 1 cup of tapioca pearls, and you're going to want to stir this up a little bit and set the timer for 10 minutes. All right, once the 10 minutes is up, we're going to stir it up a little bit. And as you can see, they have these white little dots in the center. What we're going to do is cover this up, and then we're going to set the timer for another 10 minutes, and then the tapioca pearls should be ready. Oh my God, guys, I forgot to tell you the most important ingredient, which is the mango. Hello, mango sago. Anyways, I had it cut up in the fridge already, and I had just forgotten to take it out of the fridge, but you're gonna need mango, all right? So now we're just going to put this all into a bowl, mix it up, and we can eat it. Okay, so we're going to add the tapioca pearls into the bowl. And then next, we're going to add the macapuno, which is just shredded coconut. And then with the macapuno, I did end up straining this out because I don't like my dessert too sweet, if that makes sense. Like, I like sweet things, but not too sweet, you know? So that's what I did. So that goes in. And then coconut milk, make sure you guys shake the can before you open it. Then we're going to put the entire can of condensed milk. And we want all of that in here. Scrape that baby out. All right. And then star of the show, mango. Now, if you want to elevate the flavor, what you can do is blend some of the mango up and then mix it in here as well too. So it's mixed in with like the coconut milk and everything else, and it's delicious. But I'm just too lazy to do that today, so I'm not going to do that. And then we just mix it all up. Now this is good eaten when it's cold, but I'll still eat it anyways. So we want to mix this nice and well. See how super easy and simple that was? You just literally put everything in, mix it all together, and bam, you got a delicious dessert. All right, so we're going to give this a try now. Okay, I'm gonna try and get everything onto the spoon. All right, cheers. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Guys, the coconut just elevated it even further. I think if I mixed some of the mango up and had the mango puree in here, oh my God, that would have just been even better. But I don't know if I could eat mango sago without the coconut now because it just gives it a nice crunch. Mm. And the creaminess from the coconut milk. Oh my God, so good. It's so addicting. You like can't have just one bite. You have to have multiple. Mm. Oh my God, that's so good. Mm. All right, and that's it for today. I hope you guys get to try that at home. And I also want to say that if you don't like coconut milk, you can use evaporated milk instead. But let me know if you try this recipe and leave it down in the comments below. I will see you guys next time and take care. Bye.